Hey guys, this is Ian with a new video on my 2019 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. I just got this set of tires and turbine 19-inch rims from an eBay seller. Just want to give you a quick review. They came packaged very well. He put 3 pieces of cardboard on the front and on the back of each of the rims and tires. Then it was a shrink wrap and they came in mint condition. I want to show them to you. These are the same ones that Tsportline is selling for a higher price. These are Continental Contact 235, I believe 4019s. And I also want to show you the back one. They are very grippy. The Tesla logo center cap came in already installed. No lug nut caps, but I got those ordered from Amazon, and just the price was $1,900, which was pretty good. Tires and rims, tpms sensors. If you contact the seller, he can give you a deal for them because they can install them in addition to the price. I'm going to put that link to them as well as the link if you're interested in buying a Tesla, so you can use my link. You get 1,000 miles as well as me. But here's the look. I'm very pleased on how they look. Makes the car look completely different. All right, have a good one.